welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if it's your first time here. How's it going? I hope you're doing really well. Today it is Degustabox time. Please excuse the state of me. We flew home from holiday late last night and I've been busy today, so I'm quite tired, but this came and I wanted to do it. Degustabox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly subscription box, and it is a snack or food box. It is $12.99 a month. I do have a discount code that I'll put on the screen for you now, where you can get £5 off your first box, and then once you've got a box you will then get a discount code that you can then give to other people. Every time the code is used you get 50 points, and when you get 100 points you get a free box. So this box is free because people have signed up using the code. So yeah, we're gonna get in. I do this little disclaimer in every single Degustabox video. If you are someone that shops at 4 different supermarkets to get 4 different lots of bargains, then you might not like this, because some things I'll get and people will say, well, you can get that for £1 in Poundland, or you can get that for 50p in Sainsbury's, but I generally just go to one supermarket a week. I don't shop around, so I like it. You generally get quite a lot of gluten-free stuff, although last month we didn't get that much, so hopefully this month will be good. My brother is gluten-free, which is why I appreciate it, and I always feel less bloated when I eat less gluten anyway, so we're gonna do it. I can already see something that says chocolate. I see no spoilers for this. Oh my goodness, it's a full one. Okay. That is long life milk. That's probably, they generally give you little leaflets that give you a hint as what's in there. So there's a chocolate thing there. So let's have a look. This is, there's no like theme to this month, it just says Degustabox September. Tells you everything in there and how much it costs, so I'll add it all up at the end on the screen. But let's just dive in. Oh my goodness, this just looks like a chocolate box, to be honest. Okay, first thing I've got is these Jules Destrupa Belgian biscuits butter crisps. These are £1.80. Summer butter, sugar, eggs and flour. Together they combine and create a crunchy biscuit that wins everyone over because of the rich taste of butter, caramelised sugar and a hint of spice. A Belgian classic. They sound amazing. I'm going to try a tiny bit now. I am being good today. I'm just trying to be good all the time. I want to try a tiny bit to see what it's like. Ooh. Oh, they're not very big. Oh no, they are quite big. I just saw this little end bit and I thought they weren't. So that 100 grams of these is 415 calories. I don't know how much this weighs, but I'm just going to have a tiny bit. Mmm. Oh my goodness. They're amazing. I'll work out how many calories and sins and points they are and put it on the screen. Oh my god, that was good. Okay. Next up, tomato and mozzarella whole grain snack. These are organic Dr. Carg. Look, I think Ben will really like these, and the kids like really crunchy things. So this, £1.60. Organic tomato and mozzarella crunchy snacks pack, a perfect fibre rich natural in-between snack in the office, at home or on the go. Baked not fried, made with crunchy grains and seeds as well as wholesome ingredients, sun-ripened, Moorish and gone in one bite. We'll try them. I don't normally like stuff like this, but I feel like I'm in the mood to try things today. I've just been to Crete for a week and I tried lots of things and found things that I like now. Oh, they smell good. They are really crunchy. I'm not the biggest fan, but I think Ben will really like them with like dipped in hummus and stuff. They're alright, but I wouldn't eat those. Okay. Next up we've got Indie Bay Spelt Pretzel Bites Smoking Barbecue, a little single serve packet. I'm not going to open these because I don't like barbecue things generally, but Ben does. The other one I think was a cheese flavour. Yeah, easy cheesy or smoking barbecue. These are vegan, and they are They're made with quinoa and spelt, I think. Baked spelt and wheat pretzel bites with smoky barbecue seasoning. Ben will like these, 99p a bag. Cacao nibbles, organic cacao nibs with yacon. Never heard of that. Right, these are new chopped chip cacao nibbles. The most delicious way to enjoy the goodness of the whole cocoa bean with a touch of yacon. It's spelt like bacon but with a Y. It might be pronounced yakon. I don't know. It looks like bacon but yacon. The superfood combination is chock full of antioxidants, magnesium and iron, and is a powerful prebiotic. Perfect desk snack for adding to desserts. And it says in this month's box you will find the old packaging for the chopped chip cacao nibbles. However, chopped chip cacao nibbles is being launched with a rebrand. That's what it says. These are free from dairy, gluten, additives and guilt. I'm going to try. Oh, they smell quite good. It's weird. I don't think I like it. It tastes a bit like red wine. It's like got a red wininess to it, and I don't like red wine. That is weird. There's lots of like bits in my teeth. Not a fan of that. I was all excited about chocolate. Oh! They came back through. They came through. Reese's peanut butter cups. I'm not going to open these now because if I open this, I will eat all three and I am being good. I cannot stop myself with these. So I'm going to put them in the freezer and then I'll just snack on them as and when. But I love peanut butter cups. They're amazing. 89p for free. They do dark chocolate ones as well, which are one of the best things in the whole world. Okay, next up we got some milk. And this is A2 Long Life cow's milk. Easy to digest. And this says £1.50 for this. A2 milk is natural cow's milk with the difference. It's naturally free from the A1 protein found in regular cow's milk, so it's gentle on sensitive tummies, easy to digest and less likely to trigger symptoms associated with milk intolerances. So that's quite cool. I'm not going to open this. This is Long Life milk. So what is the date on this? Once you open it, you have 4 days. But then what is the... what is the date on this? I don't know where to find it. I'll have to have a look. Yeah, this is just going to go in a cupboard. Oh, here we go. So this is okay until May 2019. So this will just go in my cupboard if we ever like randomly run out of milk. Like this would have been handy yesterday when we came back from holiday because we had no milk when we got home and Ben had to go out, which he really didn't want to do, and get milk. Okay, next up we've got 3 bars. Oh, so these are Yes fruit and nut bars. We've got Yes tempting dark chocolate sea salt and almond nut bar. That sounds amazing. That's my one. Yes delicious beetroot and apple fruit bar. Mika will eat that definitely. Sumptuous cranberry and dark chocolate nut bar. That looks amazing. They're like the nuts in this looks crazy chunky. So you get 3 flavours. These are £1.20 each. Yes snack bars are delicious, wholesome and perfect for snacking on the go. Our fruit bars contain no added sugar besides naturally occurring sugars and contain 1 of your 5 a day, and our nut bars contain 5 grams of sugar and are a source of protein. So that's cool. Happy with that. I've just seen Oreo. I had to grab this. Oreo instant flavoured hot chocolate. That sounds amazing. And it's Cadbury's. And there's an aeroplane. I guess there's always an aeroplane. $2.99. I wouldn't pay $2.99 for this. Cadbury's hot chocolate is the newest addition to the hot chocolate range, the Oreo one. Bring the Oreo biscuit taste to life in a delicious way, and it just tells you how to do it. So I would definitely try that. 114 calories per serving, which is quite a lot. I'll put on the screen how many sins and points that is, but that sounds quite a lot. Because like an options is only 38 and that's 2 points. This would probably be about 4 or 5 points for a thing, which might be okay, but we'll see. Okay, next up, what is this? Oh, I've got drinks there. Good hemp seed hearts, high in protein, high in omega-3 for baking, toppings and sprinkling. £3.99. Hemp seed kernels are natural hemp seeds which have delicious light and nutty flavour, high in protein and omega-3 and 6. They are perfect, healthy and filling snack. Alternatively, sprinkle on your cereal, porridge or yogurt, fruit and salad, or use in baking. I'm intrigued. They look like little tiny lentils. And it feels squishy. It doesn't feel like it's going to be crunchy. I'm not going to open these today, but they sound good, and I'll definitely use them like in baking. And if they are like lentils, I might put them into chilies and stuff as well. I'd never ever buy that, but I like to try things like that. Okay, so we've got a can. We've got a Juicy Fuel Cola. Ben absolutely loves getting all these in these boxes. This is £1.50. Juicy Fuel Cola is a brand new craft cola and from the Juice Shed company. A fruit cola made with 100% natural ingredients. No added sugar, no added chemicals, no nasty E numbers, and anything that doesn't need to be there. That's quite cool. I'll put that in the fridge and I will let you know what Ben thinks of that. But I don't like Coke, so I'm not going to like this. And then we've got 2 bottles. This is another one for Ben. We've got cider. 2 bottles of Jack Daniel's Tennessee cider. He likes Jack Daniel's and he loves cider, so he's going to be well happy with this. I don't drink cider because I used to drink it and then I stopped smoking, and now if I even think about having cider, it makes me want to smoke, so I just don't drink cider. It's just like, it looks like the normal Jack Daniel's label. Jack Daniel's is proud to bring you Jack Daniel's Tennessee cider by combining crisp apple cider with smooth Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey. We've expertly blended something that's not only distinctly refreshing but also unmistakably Jack to the core. And you get 2 bottles and it's 5.5% alcoholic volume. And again, I'll put these in the fridge and let you know what Ben thinks. But yeah, that was my Degustabox for September. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye guys.